Okay, how to render with WebM for little-sized videos in Blender. In this example, we will render a stinger for OBS. Let's check first what is WebM. It seems WebM is an alternative for MPEG, for example with codecs like H.264 and the container format MP4. Okay, let's see in Blender how to do it. This is a little scene for a stinger I would like to add in OBS. First, go to the output properties. Set your settings here. I have to change some stuff. Try to for yourself. Here is the important part, the output. The file format is FFmpeg. Container is WebM. Video codec is WebM VP9. I change the quality to high. If you have audio in your scene, the audio codec is Opus. And then render your scene. The hotkey is Ctrl plus F12. Okay, let's check out the render. Seems fine. Okay, add it in OBS. Create a transition scene. Choose the newly rendered file. I change the frames to the right place for the transition. This settings is for the audio monitoring. You can leave it default. Short preview. Nice. Okay, let's see the final product. That's it. See ya.